Welcome to the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Oven and Air Fryer. To power on the Bravo Pro, press the On/Off button. The temperature, time, and menu items will be displayed. Press the same button to turn the device off or to stop any cooking function. The Start/Pause dial is used to scroll through the menu items or to adjust the cook settings. To begin the cooking cycle, press the Start/Pause dial. Press the same button to pause the cook. The flashing colon indicates that the unit is cooking. When the cooking cycle is finished, the unit will beep 3 times and show End on the display. The unit comes with 10 menu options that are pre-programmed with their own default cook settings. To scroll through the menu options, you can press the Menu button, or you can use the Start/Pause dial. The cooking temperature can be adjusted before or during the cooking cycle. The default cook temperature of the Bravo Pro is set to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. To change the temperature, press the Temperature button. Then, use the Start/Pause dial to adjust the cooking temperature in 5-degree increments. The lowest temperature you can select is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and the maximum temperature is 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The timer on the display lets you know how much time is left of the cooking cycle. Press the Time button and use the Start/Pause dial to make adjustments to the cooking time in 1-minute increments. The maximum range of the timer will vary depending on the cook temperature. From 405 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the maximum cook time is up to 1 hour. From 280 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the maximum cook time is up to 24 hours. And from 50 degrees to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, the maximum cook time you can select is up to 99 hours and 99 minutes. The preheat function will heat the unit to the set temperature before the cooking cycle begins. To set up preheat, press the Preheat button, and the display will show Pre on the screen. Adjust the temperature and time if needed. Then, press the Start/Pause dial, and the unit will begin preheating to the selected temperature. When the temperature is reached, the unit will beep 2 times and Ready will show on the display. Then, a 10-second countdown will begin to let you place your food inside. After the countdown, the unit will beep once and begin the cooking cycle. It's important to remember that the cooking cycle will begin automatically even if no food is placed inside. To adjust the heat distribution between the top and bottom of the unit, press the Top/Bottom button and then use the Start/Pause dial. The default settings are 50% top and 50% bottom. Whichever setting you select, the percentages will always add up to 100%. To adjust the fan speed inside the unit, press the Fan button or use the Start/Pause dial to toggle between different speeds. The default fan setting is Fan 3, which is the fastest setting. Then it gets progressively slower at Fan 2 and then slower again at Fan 1. At Fan 0, the fan will be off. To mute the device, press and hold the Menu button for 4 seconds until 2 beeps are heard. To unmute, repeat the same steps. Enjoy the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Oven and Air Fryer.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.